In Excel, we will normally have large collections of numbers. We know the core operations. For example, if we wanted to add all these amounts that we have here in this column, we would have to do so using the expression equals this quantity plus this quantity plus this quantity plus this quantity. Okay, logically this is helpful when we have spreadsheets with very large amounts of data. And so Excel provides us with utilities. For example, in the Start ribbon, we see that we have, for example, here, it gives us a list. It is very easy for us to add together a large number of cells indicated here in this way. Okay. This is a way of introducing the concept of cell range. We see that it is expressed here. We're adding the cells that go from C15 to C19. This is merely the expression of a range, no more, no less, and it is a very important concept in Excel, which is very interesting to know about in depth.